Alright guys, so I'm here today with Cody, and we are, well, what I will be doing is installing these. Wow, by the way, we got Cody's car running, so that's sick. He will be replacing his pretty worn out radiator. So yeah, that is what we will be doing today. I will show you guys how to properly install these. Now these ones are fiberglass. They are a replica because I don't really care that much. I'd rather save money than waste money. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to properly install these things, because everyone just runs self-tappers in, which is wrong, very wrong. And I'll show you the right way. Alright guys, so as you can see, these are on. Adds just a little bit like what I wanted. And then with this sheet over here, I'll be able to extend it all about an inch or whatever it is to match the tires. And yeah, it's gonna look sick. Cody, he's on a mission, man. This guy's already got the rod out. He's working away. I got the one side on. I just wanted to make sure that what I was doing was going to work fully, and it does. So I'm going to show you guys on the other side how to do it properly. So I'm going to lower this down and lift up the other side and show you guys. Alright, I just want to show you guys how good this looks. Like, wow, it looks so much better. It adds so much more to the side. But anyways, I'm going to show you what to do for this side. But first, we gotta jack the car up and put some jack stands underneath it. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Alright guys, these are the tools you're gonna need. As you can see, I have a riv nut gun. If you're gonna be doing a lot of work on your car and you don't have one of these, just get one already. Amazon, they're like 25 bucks, just do it. And then we got some riv nuts. These are 6mm riv nuts, and then I have just a bunch of bolts and washers and lock washers and nuts. So I'm going to be using 6mm for that. And yeah, next thing you're going to need is a drill bit. I'm using a 1/4 inch. Then my self-tappers are Red Robbies. It's a square screw for you Americans. And then I got my 10mm impact, because everything I'm using is for 10 mil. So yeah, first thing you're gonna want to do is pop off your fender bolts. Now these are gonna be rusty. I'm lucky because I bought my car in the States and it's rust free, so it comes out like nothing. But some guys might have some issues with that, so be careful when taking out those bolts. Alright guys, so got the bolts off and all this crap came out of my fender, so make sure you clean them or else it's gonna make your day harder. And then I pre-drilled these holes here just so I get an idea of where I'm going. And now I'm just gonna rest it against my jack stand. Apply pressure with the stand just so it stays in place. I'm going to grab one of my factory bolts and I'm just going to go under the car and see how well it lines up. You're probably going to need to adjust the holes a little bit, so you're going to need to do this a couple times, but eventually you will get it. Okay guys, so I got the front lined up, and then I sent some self-tappers, one about here, here, and at the back, and I'm using them as alignments. And then what I'm doing now is taking them out, drilling them with my drill. That way I won't have a problem putting the M6 screws in through the fiberglass, and I know where to drill my holes bigger to fit the rib nuts. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, and then I'll show you installing the rib nuts. Alright guys, as you can see, but those are the rib nuts right there. And there's 4 of them, and then I got these stock holes right here. Now I'm gonna line up these first 2-3 holes and then line up the back. You might need to do some adjusting, so be careful when you do that. And yeah, just line up these two, these are the most important, and get the rest in place after. Okay guys, all the screws are in place. You can see that. And she's on there good. Like, it's not going anywhere. It looks phenomenal. I'm gonna drop it now. Alright guys, let's see how it looks all dropped. Alright guys, so the side skirts are on. They look awesome. Took it for a quick drive and no issues, no rattling from them. However, I'm gonna have to get used to stepping out of my car and not breaking them because I hit them every time. Yeah, it's gonna take some getting used to. And then I came over here and I made some side skirts extensions for it. So these guys are gonna sit something like this. Now it's the same size. I took an outline of them, so they should match up decently well. I might have to shave some off back here because it overflaps. Oh, I'm moving it. But anyways, yeah, you get the idea. Comes almost flush with the rims. I like that. And yeah, I might add some angling to connect it to my fender up like this, just to give it some aggression. Yeah, it's gonna look sick. It's gonna stick it like that much almost. Just about. Yeah, I think that's gonna look sick. It's gonna add a little bit more to depth that I'm looking for. And I'll be able to do some funky stuff with it, like putting some bracing all the way up to here and just have like an open gap like this, so that you can see like the back of my tire, but only from like certain angles, so it looks cool. I don't know, lots to figure out, but yeah, I really like these side skirts. eBay, $200, can't complain. But he wanted $200 to ship them to Canada, and then I found them on eBay. Same dude, same everything, half the price. Yeah, so it looks really good, like it a lot. I have a headlight vent coming, so I can give AC to my, or cold air to my filter. And yeah, lots of stuff, lots of work. I'm thinking about getting new seats that are black, or just painting these ones again. And yeah, car's looking good as always. It's all clean. Every rear endo looks good. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. And back over here to Cody, we got most of the work done. It's just the simple, easy stuff left. The intercooler, the radiator is now on. Bottom lines are all in place. You're just hooking up this top line.
It's a tight fucking fit.
Yeah, they are. And yeah, then we're gonna drain the coolant.
Flush
The coolant. You give it a full flush, unlike what I did. And yeah, you're gonna see it in place. There's the bad boy right there. Schmancy.
Also, it came with a timing cover plate.
No, it comes with
What is it?
a block off for this here, so that you get rid of this completely.
Fuck, we should have done that.
No.
You see it? It's black.
You
It's
can't
just
with your
Flyin
car.
Miata.
You need all those lines. That's for turbo.
We're keeping that. Right.
And then I went ahead and built him.
White one to match my car.
Yeah, it's white. You just gotta paint it. And yeah.
Plain or blue like everything else.
Yeah, you could do that.
I forget we can. Sure, I can find the paint.
Well, yeah, I'm almost already through one of these sheets of Alumilite. Aluminum composite board. Aluminum composite panel, whatever you guys want to call it. But as you can see, this is the other side skirt extension right here. And that'll be going on at some point. I gotta clean it up and measure it, cut it up. And I'm gonna have to figure out some mounting. Because it's gonna be a little bit annoying. Because there's a bit like that much of a gap in between, like it goes flat and then it jumps up, and where it jumps up is where all the bolts are. So I'm gonna have to do like a 1/2 inch spacer so that this sits flat. But we'll see how that turns out. But yeah, that's where we're at. Just wrenching away. Hands are all dirty. Lots of stuff. He's throwing on the hose right now. Did you get that worm clamp on in the back?
Yep.
You know it helps if you spit on it, eh?
I like dry.
He likes going in dry, eh? Uh-oh. Watch out. Alright guys, everything's back in. We're just flushing the system, getting all the air bubbles out. Looks good, man. Got radiator in there. If you guys are doing this, make sure your car is out of gear. Or else...
Don't show that. Don't show that. Don't show that. Nothing happened. Fuck. All professionals here. Nothing bad ever happens in front of Nick's garage.
Nothing ever.
Nothing ever.
Plus Saturday and Sunday only. Get 60% off sofas when you buy the matching monthly.
So in case you guys don't know, that's how you bleed the system on these things. Fetty's got the same thing on the Supermiata Reroute. But you have to do this hot. It's the easiest way to do it. It takes forever, but this is what I feel is the best way of doing it. Even in the instructions, that's how they say to do it as well. But this is the best way, in my opinion, to make it work the best. And yeah. Cody's got some sick gauges in here. Makes me jealous. Yeah, we're just leaving the system now, so it's gonna be a bit. Alright guys, so we're pretty much at our limits here. Sun's going down, as you can see. But I got these all cleaned up, pretty straight. Now I just need to figure out mounting stuff for those, and yeah, that'll be good. The only thing left now is pretty much get this thing all bled out. It normally takes the longest doing this crap, but we're doing it. We'll get it done. I think we're gonna end the video here though. Alright guys, so quite a productive day today. We got a lot done, in my opinion. Side skirts are on and Fetty. This thing has a whole new radiator and the Flyin Miata coolant reroute, which is pretty awesome, I must say. The only thing now it's missing is a turbo, bro.
And working fans.
And working fans.
Yeah.
We'll give it a second, I hope.
Yeah, me too.
Fans still haven't turned on, so we're hoping those will work, or else we're gonna have some issues. But yeah, truck's going to go get ceramic coated on Monday, so the truck's gonna look awesome soon. And yeah, just cleaning up and finishing up with Cody's car, and that'll be pretty much it for today. So if you guys want to see the video on the side skirt extensions, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. That video will be coming out shortly. I just gotta figure out some spacing for underneath where it mounts, and I might have to silicone it so it doesn't flop around too much. I'm not sure yet, so we'll see what's going on. It should be pretty good, but yeah. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos.